Hi guys, this is Awesomeness Boy, and this is gonna be. I'm gonna jump the driveway with my friend here. So, yes. What's your name?
Tice.
Okay, my name's Awesomeness Boy. Your friend. So he's gonna be videotaping with this. Yes. And I'm gonna be jumping the driveway with number 02. The Honda Racer CRF70 2003, I think. 2004. So I'm just gonna go jump it. See you then. Okay, go. Okay, here it comes. Second one. Go. Here we go. And you gotta miss that trail. But I'm not doing the picture. Okay, you should maybe get more speed. Okay. Go. Yeah. And that's done.